Have you ever wanted to track whale wallets or see the possibilities of just how much money you can make from a small investment in crypto? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can track whale wallets for meme coins and any coin out there, and how you can see just how much money is possible to make from a small investment in crypto. My name's Tyrell, and over the past 5 years, I've been making money online and investing the profits from my businesses into crypto. We are currently in the bull run, on the brink of multi-millionaires and billionaires being created. And these are some of the skills that you will have to learn to become successful. So to start off with, we're gonna head over to a website called Dex Screener. Now, Dex Screener is gonna show you most pairs out there, right? It's gonna show you different chains. It's gonna show you new pairs, gainers and losses. You can create portfolios. You can see projects on, Solana, Ethereum, BSC, and Base. And also sometimes you can see like analytics and stuff like that. All right, so let's start off with the Solana pairs, right? So as you can see, these are the top tokens on Solana, right? What you should do realistically is go to the 24 hours trending, right? And then you can see some of these coins. Let's start off with Museum of Meme, right? For Museum of Meme, you can go to top traders, and under top traders here, right, you can see some of the best traders out there. You can see this person spent $497 and made $28,000 for a profit of $27,600. And if we click the transactions here, right, you can see their sells and their buys over here. You can also see each and every other person. So you can see this person here, it was $1,344 initially invested for a profit of $18,000 again, right? So they brought the dip here, sold, and sold here, right? You also sold up here too, right? Sometimes, and most of the times, these are early investors' wallets. So these are like early investors and people who got into this token at a really cheap round, or for meme coins, most of the time, it's the dev wallet or the original person that created the token. They send it to people who market this token or early fundraisers. Sometimes projects do private sales as well. And that's why you won't be able to see the initial buy. You'll just see sell, sell, sell. It can also be people who got in on a website called Pump Fund. I spoke about that on the last video. And on Pump Fund, you can get into some of these tokens like real early in the thousands of market cap. And then when they get listed on Radium, you can actually go ahead and sell these for a huge profit. Okay, I know somebody actually who just puts $5 in every single coin that launches, because you know that some of them can actually do like a 1000x, for example. Now you can see more and more of these. You can see another one for $3,000 for 15K, $1,800 for 12K. So you can see that these investments are very, very profitable. Okay, another great coin, right, is actually like some of these like much larger coins, right? Let's say we go to like the top highest volume coins, and we look at Hammy, for example. I know Hammy made a lot of people a lot of money. I seen Hammy when the YouTube video first came out. Like, I hate looking at this chart. Honestly, it's actually long, right? Looking at this chart, because I seen Hammy down here months and months ago, and it was just like, it's wrecked. I seen Hammy like down here. But anyway, less of my sob stories. We can see here, somebody invested $39,000, made $250,000 for a profit of $220. Another person invested $1,000 and made 160 grand. Another person invested $16,000 for a profit of 154K. You got $9,000 investment, $2,000 investment for $70,000, $5,000 for a profit of 72K, and the list goes on. And these are real transactions, guys. In fact, let's say if we go to this person here, right, and we zoom out, let's go into the daily. You can see here, the earliest buys were actually over here, and then Hammy got pumped ridiculously, and he sold over here, right, for a massive profit. Okay, so we'll keep this video short, straight to the point. That is how you can track whale wallets, and you can track some of these meme coins and other coins, early investors on any chain, right? You can go through these and check out all of the chains out there. Hopefully that inspires you on just how much money is possible to create in this market. And if you want to see my story and exactly how I made over $8 million in the crypto market, so you can copy it for yourself, check out my free course over here. Peace.